Welcome to the how-to video for the iPhone 5s screen replacement. Your Screezy screen replacement kit contains everything needed for this repair. To purchase any of our repair kits, visit Screezy.com. All Screezy screen replacement kits come fully assembled with all the necessary small parts. And every screen is tested in the U.S.A. Let's get started by powering off the device. Using the 5-star pendulum screwdriver, remove the 2 bottom screws near the charging dock. Using the metal opening pry tool, insert between the screen and the frame of the phone, inserting just enough to reach underneath the screen. Work the pry tool around the screen if needed to eventually pry the screen loose. It is important to know that the home button cable runs from behind the home button into a socket within the phone. Be careful when opening the screen by lifting up about 2 inches, keeping an eye on this cable. This cable should be loose and not stretched taut. Use the plastic spudger to pry the bracket free, then pry the home button cable clip. Be very careful with the home button and this cable at all times. The metal box on the bottom right is magnetic and can be used to magnetize your screwdriver. Keep in mind, always be gentle with internal components while repairing the device. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on top of the upper right metal shield. Set the metal shield to the side. Using the small plastic spudger, remove the 3 clips connecting the screen to the logic board. Your Touch ID is unique to your iPhone. Therefore, we will need to disassemble it from your broken screen and reassemble it to your new Screezy replacement screen. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the home button cable to the metal shield. Fold this cable back, leaving the screws to the home button bracket accessible. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the metal home button bracket. Set the metal shield to the side. Part of the home button cable is affixed by adhesive to the screen, so we're going to need to gently pry it free. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently wedge the tip between the cable and the screen. There is no rush. Take your time and be gentle with this cable. Once the cable is free, use your index finger to push the home button out of the screen. Your Screezy replacement screen comes fully assembled with the front-facing camera, earpiece, and LCD shield. With your Screezy replacement screen, we will attach the home button to the screen. Place the metal shield over the home button and use your Phillips head screwdriver to screw the 2 screws on top of the metal home button bracket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, screw back in the home button cable into the metal LCD plate. Using your new Screezy replacement screen, we will be reversing the steps. First, by plugging the 3 previously mentioned clips back into the logic board. Place the metal shield back on top of the 3 clips and align the screw holes over their spots on the logic board. Using the magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, place each screw onto the tip of the screwdriver and screw the 4 screws back into the metal shield. Now we need to plug back in the home button cable. Lower the screen to about a 30-degree angle until the Touch ID home button cable hangs over the home button socket. Use the plastic spudger to reclip the home button cable back into the socket. Lay the metal bracket over the home button socket, aligning the bracket so that the bracket's 2 hinges are on the top side of the socket, allowing the bracket to be gently pressed into place using the plastic spudger. With the screen now reattached to the logic board, now we just need to reset it back into the frame. Insert the top of the screen into the frame first, making sure the top is secured to the frame before you then go down and around the sides of the screen to secure all the sides. With the screen secure, use the pentalobe screwdriver to screw back in the 2 pentalobe screws near the charging dock. The screen replacement is now finished, and you can power back on the device.